Okay, pry it up right here and stick the nut in there, and then it'll fit into this little plastic cup right here. Okay, it's done, and then I grabbed some extra ones right here from the wrecking yard. Okay, so that didn't work. I have no power. I have power here, but on the bottom plug, there's no power coming out. So I'm glad I snagged this off the hybrid Civic. It's supposed to go in here like this. We'll see how it goes. So you gotta pop these tabs right here, push up, and there is a whole bunch of them. Look. So if I count, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace this off the Civic and put it right in here. All right, so I've been working on this a couple hours, and you can see it's plugged in now, and it has battery voltage. I know the battery's low, but I couldn't figure out why I wasn't getting power to this. There was power coming in here, which is connected to here when I took it apart. So yeah, this is powered, it has power on the other side, but under the bottom, I wasn't getting power to this wire, and I checked it there. There was so much dielectric grease jammed into the plug on the other side that it wasn't making contact. I literally had to wash all of it out just to get power, because I did not have it. And I was like, what the hell was going on? Why is this not working? So I'm happy now that I got EP3 factory power with my EPS. So EP3 EPS, and it's gonna work.